Hello, today we're going to learn the best practice of Claude.md, Agent.md, and Alter.md files. Indeed, in the latest version of Alter, we now support those 3 files. If you go in one of your Alter workspace setting, you now can see a button called Alter.md, where you can generate and edit your Alter.md file, or you can drag and drop your Claude.md or Agents.md directly in the root folder of your workspace. But first, what are those files for? Alter.md, Agent.md, and Claude.md are grounding files. It means they are going to be loaded automatically during any session in this specific workspace, and they are here to ground how the workspace works. Let me show you an example. Here, we are in a workspace around my Alter release workflow. As you know, every week we release a new Alter version, and this is my workspace to work on all the materials and steps I need to do to release the new version. By clicking on the Alter.md button, I can see the content of my Alter.md file. Best practice for those files are around 60 lines and be very specific to define who you are, what's this for, and how you like things to get done. One thing that is important and to keep things tidy is that in your MD file, you can mention or explain other MD files that are used in your workflow. For example, here, I have a checklist MD file that, if I open the Finder, gives way more details on how I want my checklist to be done in terms of creating a folder and different ways of working. So this way, I keep my Alter.md clean and lean, and anytime the AI needs more information and more rules-based, it can look in a different MD file. It's called progressive declaration. So what does it allow us to do? Now, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to attach a folder to it. Here is the beta 65 demo, and just say set it up. And now, as you can see, Alter will ingest my rules document and going to start creating my folder structure directly in my folder here. And here it is, my workspace is ready, and I can work to this week release. And because I have a checklist and a step-by-step approach, I can just drag and drop my files in my folder here, and Alter will process those files and do action for the next step. We highly recommend you to use them to really ground your workspace to behave in the way you want, and therefore achieve the best performance and quality of your workflows. Thank you very much, and see you next week.